Okay, my name is Joe Abriscani. I'm an application engineer at North Atlantic. I'm going to show you how to use the embedded soft panel to connect to a NIU1, which happens to have 1553 module installed. So if we click on the configuration, I have it set up already for an NIU. You can select for the NIU. We're going to go Ethernet. You can select either UDP or TCP, and the appropriate port you can select. So we're gonna stay with TCP. We can connect up to it, close it out, and then you'll see that we now can see the board at that address. Just open up this window just a little bit more. All right, and then I'll select the NIU. The N7 module. Do an insert on the BC. We'll call this BC1. Main controller. We're going to let the RT receive. The RT will set for 3. Sub address will go, let's go to 5 or 6. Let's send 9 words of transmission. Let's randomly fill it up. Last word is 9F0F. Let's add that to it. And let's do a transmit. Tell the RT to transmit back to the BC. So what we'll do is TX and add that to the list. But we're gonna randomly give it a different one. Okay, this one is we're transmitting the same same number of bytes and the same sub address. We could change it to let's change it to 7. And add that to the list. Let's close this out. Let's go insert. Let's see. Let's insert an RT on the second channel because I have this looped back on a bus. So let's go. This is RT2. This is RT3. Let's go back and just take a look at it again. Oh, it tells you right here. Remote terminal 3. So we're going to create a remote terminal 3. RT3. We're going to set it to 3, legalize the receive, sub address 6, and transmit 7. Close it. Add it to it. Enable it. Let's transmit this one. I activated it. Let me just edit it again. I got 6 on the receive. Sorry, here it is. Let's transmit on that. Transmit it on the receive. I didn't have a legal address for 6, but that's okay. Let's transmit. Have the RT transmit back to the BC, and there's the transmission. So if I go back and enable that other one, let's edit the RT and enable 6. Now 6 and 7 enable on the transmit. Close. Yeah, transmit 6 and 7. Let's reactivate. Let's close it first and reactivate it. Okay, now we know it's active. We can then right-click on this now and transmit, and it'll send that word. Let's transmit on this one, and let's have the RT receive on this one. Okay, the RT received this data. So you can see that the RT is transmitting the first 2, and it's receiving the second set. So and that's generally the flow. You you have two channels here. Either channel could be set up as a bus controller, an RT, or a monitor. And I just chose to set the first channel to a bus controller and the second channel to an RT. That's pretty much how you can demonstrate the NIU. You can play around with the other devices, bus monitor, start a schedule, and so forth. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. The number here in the States is 516. So I had to check that. It's 631-567-1100. My extension's 119. Thanks.